位置咧喺堅拿道西啊。其實我係諗住行堅拿道東嘅，不過咧原來我剛才呢一節冇影到喎，咁所以就而家補翻，跟住先至過翻去。Okay, so this is Canal Road West. Actually, I'm going to walk around the Canal Road East. 咁就發現呢度原來有一啲講述啦。And this is the Gooseneck Bridge. 呢度係鵝頸橋。It is actually popular area for 打小人啊。I don't know how to explain this in English. It is a popular place to for okay, so maybe I can explain like this: is 小人 it means okay, 打小人 okay, there's 3 words 打小人。打 means hit, okay, so hit to hit them away, okay. 小人 that means people who always do sneaky things on you. That is 小人, okay. So when we do 打小人, that means we want to hit those people away from you, okay. And they have a special event or maybe activity. So if you pay some money to those professional 打小人 people, and then they will provide a service to you to do the 打小人 for you, so that those people who often do sneaky things to you will get away from you, okay. 呢個好似叫 Midtown 啊，哦唔係啊 V Point 啊 ，This is V Point。And here is they are actually explaining the different seasons of the weather, and they have sort of, I can't remember, it's 12 or 24 these kind of season or weather festivals. Some of them are actually public holiday, including like this one, Qingming. That is a public holiday, especially for to do something on the people who has passed away, your relatives who has passed away. You need to visit them. Maybe like giving them a flower or whatever. 好啦，呢個係堅拿道東。That's the Canal Road East. 咁啊，側邊係燈籠街啦。Canal Street. This street has got many restaurants, and it will be the next road for me to visit. 呢個江仔記係咪啊？係啊，江仔記幾好食㗎。不過呢個分店我就未幫襯過啦。That was a noodle shop, like a fishball, meatball noodle shop. I have tried their noodle in another branch in Shenzhen. It's quite tasty, I think, but I've never tried this one. 呢個係羅素街。This is the Russell Street, and here is Times Square. 咁啊，羅素街曾經係全亞洲最昂貴租金嘅一條街嚟嘅，咁唔知而家點樣啦。The Russell Street used to be the most expensive rental places in Hong Kong, in the Asia, but I'm not too sure what's now. 我好希望啦，有啲可能英文好啲嘅朋友啦，可以幫我啦。即係讓我哋嘅網友咧去知道，即係12節氣啊，定24節氣啊，同埋嗰啲咩打小人啊嗰啲嘢啦。呢個係霎東街。I hope my audience, I hope those audience who has got better English could give me help. Giving me more information so that I could share with my English speaker audience about those about that 打小人 things. 哇！呢個發品鋪幾犀利喎，咁大間嘅。That is a shop for hair products. 咁側邊有個地盤啦。There is a construction site. 好啦，咁啊行完啦，堅拿道東 Canal Road East。 And this is the end of the road. 咁呢邊就係禮頓道啦。This is the Leighton Road. 嗰邊去跑馬地嘅黃泥涌道嗰啲啦，嗰邊應該摩利神山道啦。And that is for this direction is for Happy Valley. 咁呢邊係灣仔方向啦。咁好啦，咁呢段片就嚟到呢度啦。多謝大家收睇，拜拜。So this is the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.